So, you've dug up your pipe you want to fix, and you're at this stage. In this example, this is the pipe I want to add a slip fix and T-piece to. Quickly showing you the end product. Here we have the newly added slip fix and T-piece, allowing for this new solenoid to be installed. Of course, it doesn't have to be a T, it can be a joining coupling glued to your slip fix. Mark your cutout area, making sure your coupling and your telescopic slip fix is pushed all the way in. Once that's drained, cut the other side. Check the measurement. And drain out both pipes. Next, you want to clean all surfaces, slip fix and pipes. Then use your primer to coat the inside of the T and the outside of the other pipes. Getting a clean and grippy surface ready for the glue. Next, apply your PVC glue to the outside of your slip fix and join either your coupling or your T or elbow to the slip fix. Glue all four surfaces of the pipes and the fix. Join in one half. Then slide it out to finally join the two together and hold pressure